How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Ceptor Super Takedown Series running board lights. So up top here I have our Ceptor-X model where you'll have 4 LED modules per unit, and below is our Ceptor model where you'll have 6 LED modules per unit. And both of these light bars will have the same function. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cables here. So you'll have your red positive, your black ground, your yellow flash pattern cable, your green steady burn cable, your white sync cable, and your blue alternate sync cable. And then you'll also get your universal L mounting brackets, which will attach to the back of your unit. So here I brought our Ceptor Super Takedown in a red-blue color setup. Now on our Super Takedown model, you'll use the green Super Takedown cable to the positive connection, and the Super Takedown mode will override the warning mode of your unit. And the Super Takedown mode can operate independently as well. And then up top here I brought our Ceptor-X again in a red-blue color setup. So let me go ahead and get it hooked up to power here. And this will function the same with the green cable, and that will activate your Super Takedown mode. And again, that will override the warning mode of your unit and will operate independently as well. Now you'll notice my units are on different flash patterns, but each of these units come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them as well with memory recall. And I did bring red-blue for example, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. So let's go over a couple of those options. So here I brought our Ceptor-X Super Takedown in green, and then on the bottom here I brought our Ceptor Super Takedown in an amber clear alternating color setup. But again, you can get any color using amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, or alternating, and we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. Now let's go over how to sync and alternate sync our units. Now the first step to get your units in sync is to get your units on the same flash pattern. Now you'll notice my units are on different flash patterns here, so the easiest way to do this is to tie your yellow flash pattern cables together and then hold to the positive connection for a couple seconds. And then you'll see your units go to Super Takedown mode. And then go ahead and tap your flash pattern cable one more time, and then your units are on the same flash pattern, but your units aren't in sync yet. The next step here is to tie your white sync cables together. So go ahead and tie your whites together. And then once you have those tied together, go ahead and turn your units off and back on. And then your units are officially programmed in sync. Now let's go over how to alternate sync our units. Now to get your units programmed in alternate sync, you'll want to follow those same syncing steps we just did, but the next step here is to get a Group A programmed and a Group B. So I'll go ahead and call my top unit Group A, so I'll take the blue cable from my Group A and hold to the positive connection for about 3 seconds, and then you'll see my unit go into Group A programming, and then we'll call the bottom unit Group B. So I'll take the blue cable from my bottom unit and hold to the positive connection for about 4 seconds. And you'll see that skip over Group A programming and go to Group B. Now once you've done this, you can go ahead and turn your units off and back on, and then you'll see your units are officially programmed in alternate sync. Now while you're in alternate sync, you have 3 pattern speeds to choose from. So here is slow, and then you have medium, and then you have fast. And then you can cycle through the different pattern speeds by using the yellow flash pattern cable to the positive connection. And then finally, if you'd like to toggle between alternate sync and regular sync, you can do this by using the white sync cables. So while you're in alternate sync, if you hold the white sync cables to the positive connection for about 3 seconds, you'll see your units will go back to their standard sync. And then while you're in standard sync and you want to get back to alt sync, if you simply tap your white cable to the positive connection, your units will go back to their alternate sync. And finally, whether you're in sync or alternate sync, you can still activate your Super Takedown mode by using your green Super Takedown cables. And then when you deactivate your Super Takedown mode, your unit will go back to the warning mode it was on. So that covers our Ceptor Super Takedown Series running board lights. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players right below the main product pictures. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.